Instagram just released 4 new updates. Some are exciting, some are surprising. Stick around till the end to catch them all. Update 1. Track your Reels history. Ever watched a reel and couldn't find it later? Now you can check your full Reels watch history. Tap your profile icon. Next, click on the hamburger menu. Now find your activity option and click on it. Scroll to watch history and click on it. Here, you'll see every reel you've watched. Filter by date, week, or even creator. No more losing that reel you loved. Update 2. Repost posts and reels. Want to share someone else's post or reel directly to your profile? Instagram now has a repost button. In your feed, tap the 2 arrows icon below a post or reel. Done. It's instantly added to your profile. No screenshots, no third-party apps. Update 3. Smarter Reels controls. Instagram just gave us 3 new tools inside Reels. Here's why they matter. Full screen mode. Hate distractions while watching. Tap the 3 dots and pick View Full Screen option. It hides all the extra text so you can enjoy the reel without clutter. Closed captions. Watching reels without sound. Click on Closed Captions option. Change the option to Always Show Captions. You'll see text for every voice-relevant reels. Reel notifications. Don't want to miss your favorite creator's next post? Tap Turn on Reels notifications. From now on, you'll get an alert as soon as they upload. Works only if you're following them. Update 4. Discover friends' favorite reels. Tap the Reels icon at the bottom, then select Friends at the top. Now you'll see reels your friends liked or reposted, a new way to discover trending content through your circle. These are Instagram's 4 latest updates. Which one will you try first? Comment below and hit subscribe for more hidden Instagram tips.